In configuring the display of rule violations, before checking for rule violations, it is important to understand how violations are displayed. Altium Designer has two techniques for displaying design rule violations, each with its own advantages. These are configured on the PCB editor DRC violations display page of the Preferences dialog. We have the violation overlay, wherein violations are identified by the primitive in error highlighted in the color chosen for the DRC error markers, which are configured in the View Configuration panel. Just press L to open. The default behavior is to show the primitives in a solid color when zoomed out, changing to the selected violation overlay styles as you zoom in. The default is style B, a circle with a cross in it. Then we have violation details. Here, as you zoom further in, violation detail is added if it is enabled. It details the nature of the error, wherein violation detail can include information at the site of the violation, where appropriate an icon to indicate the type of violation, for example, thin lines that cross over, indicating a short circuit. Also, a numerical value showing the rule setting that is failing, for example, less than 0.25 millimeter. Here are violations that are shown in solid green, which is the first image here. As you zoom in the changes to the selected violation overlay style, which is the second image, and as you zoom in further, violation details are added here in the third image.